Hello! In this video I will show you how to set parental control on DORO 8100. So you have to start by opening your settings application, and then you have to scroll down and click on Google. Now click on Kids and Family, and then click on Parental Controls. Then click on Let's Do This, and click Sign In. Now you have to enter your PIN. And now you have to enter your child's email. Then click Next. And now you have to enter your password. Then you have to scroll down and click Yes, I'm in. Then click I agree. Now click on Don't Turn On. And then click on Not Now. And now click Accept. Then click on Supervise. Now click on Next. And here you have to enter your parent email address. And then click Next. And here you have to enter your parent password. And then you have to scroll all the way down, and here you have to enter your child password again. Then click on Next. Then click Allow. And here you can scroll down and click Next. Then click Done. And now your parental controls are set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.